Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Ford F150 Bluetooth updated. Start by turning on your truck and enabling Bluetooth on your phone, then tap Settings, select Bluetooth, and set your phone to Discoverable. Next, use the sync screen to search for devices, select your phone name, and confirm the PIN on both devices to quickly complete pairing and enable hands-free calling and media control. Sometimes pairing fails due to simple settings or interference, so stay calm and try repeatable steps to fix it yourself without stress. Restart your phone, reboot the truck, and make sure both devices are within a few feet and fully charged. Clear old pairings on sync if you hit a limit, then repeat the normal pairing flow while confirming any numeric PINs shown on both screens. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and tips. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read for anyone wanting smarter money habits and less financial stress. It pairs humorously with avoiding costly car mistakes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab it, you might thank yourself later. Now let's get back to the video. For better performance, update both your phone and sync firmware, and manage paired devices regularly to avoid conflicts. If multiple phones are present, set your primary device in sync to ensure consistent call and audio priority. Use Bluetooth audio for media and use USB if you need charging and higher quality playback simultaneously. And remember to test calls after pairing to confirm microphone and speaker routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.